a rainbow Skittle experiment today. These are the things you'll need for this experiment. Water, plate, Skittles. Water, plate, and Skittles. First you put the Skittles in the plate, crazy circle of colors, or you could do in the order.
The order of what?
Of the rainbow. And then you put water in. Just very slowly.
That's probably enough.
And then you wait.
And what happens?
Then when you wait for a minute, it'll start showing the colors and it'll start filling in that circle with all of the rainbow colors. And then after that we can eat the Skittles if you want, but they're kind of soggy.
Well, you can eat the Skittles if you want. Ooh, let's see. What's happening?
It's making the rainbow of all the colors. Don't touch them, or it'll make it wrong. It won't be rainbow, then it'll just be all brownish and pinkish and yeah. Now it's done. This is what it looks like at the end. I'll show you what it looks like on the bottom. This is what it looks like on the bottom, the purple one. And this looks like on the bottom of the green one, the orange one.
Why is the color all gone? What happened to it?
That's because it sucked up all the water. The water sucked up all the color on the bottom and then made all the rainbow.
Wow. What happens if you kind of mix it up?
This happens. This happens when you fix it.
Cool.
Not like eat all of them. No, I'm not going to eat them. They're disgusting. Oh yeah, yummy. I'm going to eat all of them. Okay, you can have it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't